Okay, so yes, you have covered the entire talk here in your chat. It's very nice ना जब ये chat पढ़ते हैं पूरा talk revise हो जाता है. So let us see what are the important insights आज के talk में से कि क्या हमको apply करना है आज के talk में. How can we make this talk a part of our life? This Manan, this Swadhyay is very important. आपको पता है ना, Gurudev always says knowledge has 3 stages. Shravan, listening to the knowledge. More important than that is Manan. Going over the knowledge again and again. बहुत ज्यादा ज्ञान सुनने की जरूरत नहीं, लेकिन थोड़ा सा सुना, लेकिन उसके ऊपर बार बार चिंतन करना. Again going back, oh, what was he saying? अच्छा, what did he say about mistakes? What did he say about finding faults? What did he say about purifying the consciousness? And then a sincere effort to implement the knowledge, the nididhyasa, when it becomes a part of your life. तो मनन नहीं करेंगे तो थर्ड स्टेज नहीं आएगा. एक ज्ञान हमारे जीवन का हिस्सा नहीं बनेगा. अच्छा, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो गुरुदेव ने जो सीक्रेट के बारे में बताया, इफ एनीवन हियर हैज नॉट येट डन द सहज समाधि कोर्स, आज गुरुदेव ने खुद बोल दिया है करने को. इफ यू आर नॉट येट डन द सहज समाधि कोर्स, आपने आपका सहज समाधि का मंत्र अगर नहीं लिया है अभी तक, तो प्लीज डू a Sahaj Samadhi course. I'll be conducting an online Sahaj Samadhi December 12, 13, 14 and उसके पहले भानु दीदी के साथ आपको सहज समाधि कोर्स करना है तो आप कर सकते हो December 1st, 2nd and 3rd. ठीक है. What did Gurudev say? When a secret is personal, it is kept personal, its power increases. ऐसे कुछ सीक्रेट होते हैं. 4 तरह के सीक्रेट बताए ना, तो उसमें सहज समाधि मंत्र इज दैट काइंड ऑफ अ सीक्रेट, जिसको सीक्रेट रखने से वो और सेक्रेड होते जाता है, उसकी क्षमता बढ़ते जाती है. तो वो हमारा एटीट्यूड है उस सीक्रेट के प्रति. व्हेन आई ऑनर इट, व्हेन आई लुक एट इट एज समथिंग वेरी सेक्रेड, इट्स सेक्रेडनेस एम्प्लीफाइज एंड लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स हैपन in your life automatically. That is the secret. वो कैसे होता है we don't know, but that itself is the secret. So this chapter is also that kind of a secret. The chapter 9, Rajya Vidya, Rajya Guhya. Guhya is what? Secret. Rajya Guhya Yoga, the royal secret, the royal knowledge. Now one very important thing, Gurudev used the word dwelling on negativity. अभी कृष्ण ये सीक्रेट अर्जुन को क्यों बता रहे हैं? Why is this being given to Arjun? Because of 2 qualities. One, his intellect is mature. He can take that knowledge. He's ready for it. And he is responsible. He will use the knowledge with responsibility, not misuse it. Second, Anasuya. Arjuna has that quality, Anasuya. Anasuya माने क्या? Who doesn't dwell upon negativity. जो सिर्फ कुछ ना कुछ खोट है, कुछ गलत है, कुछ गड़बड़ है, वो देख के उसके ऊपर बार बार अपना मन उसके ऊपर लगाना. So ये बहुत, see, we have to understand the difference here. Gurudev is not telling don't recognize mistakes. It is important to recognize something wrong, and wherever necessary it is important to tell the other person also, and wherever necessary it is important to acknowledge to ourselves also कि ये गलत है. But dwelling on the negativity is to be avoided. बार बार बस वही सोचते रहना, अरे इंडिया हार गया, अरे क्यों हार गया, उसने ऐसा शॉट नहीं मारना चाहिए था, ये लोग तो यार हमेशा लास्ट मोमेंट पे यार मूड ऑफ कर देते हैं, क्या इतना स्लो कोई खेलता है क्या? अरे तुमने खेला है कभी? तुमको मालूम है बॉल जब भी 140 किलोमीटर पर आवर स्पीड से आता है तो क्या होता है? Have you done that anytime? It's very easy to give comments watching that television. And what is going on? Negativity. The country won 10 matches. What about that? They came second in the World Cup. What about that? Right? So that dwelling on the negativity is something that has to be avoided. ये तो हमारा कॉन्शियसनेस नेगेटिव होते जाएगा if we dwell upon the negativity. And yet it is important to recognize what is not right. So there is a very fine balance. And this is where the sadhana will play the role. जब हम साधना अच्छे से कर रहे हैं तो ही ये बैलेंस मेंटेन कर सकेंगे. नहीं तो we'll get carried away either in the negativity or in नहीं नहीं मुझे कुछ नेगेटिव देखना ही नहीं है. हाँ नहीं 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 हाँ नहीं अरे ये टमाटर नहीं नहीं वो सब्जी वाला बोल रहा है अरे ये टमाटर खराब है. नहीं 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 अच्छा है टमाटर अच्छा है मैं इसका ही सब्जी बनाऊंगा. हाँ घर में सब बीमार पड़ जाएंगे चलेगा. That will be stupidity, right? Okay. The third thing, freedom. This is the longing of every soul to get the ultimate freedom. You have to ask yourself now this very important question. This is one of our homework. In which area of my life I am looking for freedom? कहां पे जीवन का कौन सा ऐसा अंग है जिसमें मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं पूरी तरह से बंध चुका हूं या बंध चुकी हूं. बंधन महसूस हो रहा है और उसमें से हम मुक्ति चाहते हैं. What aspect of my life? It is very important to ask ourselves this question. Where I am looking that freedom for? What is holding me back? I think, the combination of the advanced meditation program and the DSN program is for us to be able to get that ultimate freedom. Advanced meditation program में we go so much deep within ourselves with the hollow and empty meditations. तो पता चलने लगता है हम कहाँ अटके हैं. What is the block? Where am I stuck? It's like a secret which gets revealed to you when you do the advanced meditation program. And in the DSN program, you get the strength and the technique, the skill to be able to remove that block, come out of it. These are two programs one should keep repeating every year. The advanced meditation program and the DSN program. Now see, it's very important. Gurudev is saying, Krishna Arjun को क्या बोल रहे हैं? This knowledge is easy to follow. And you will get the benefit immediately. इसका result immediately मिलेगा. तो हमको ये सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है अरे भगवत गीता इतना उच्च कोटि का ज्ञान है मैं तो मामूली इंसान हूं मेरे बस की बात नहीं है. नहीं, हम ये ज्ञान सुन रहे हैं. We are here listening to this knowledge. That's an indication that we are ready for this knowledge. So that faith we need to have. And the last thing which I want to bring everyone's attention to is identify in which area of my life there is a stagnation, there is no juice. It could be job, it could be business, it could be a relationship. Identify where are you feeling that stagnation. तो वो जूस अगर नहीं है वहां पर तो आपने उस चीज को बहुत मैकेनिकल बना दिया. You are not getting the combination. What Gurudev said, this chapter 9 क्या है? ये ज्ञान और विज्ञान का combination. The material science and spiritual science. There is something higher. When we lose sight of that something, that some higher knowledge, the higher purpose, the deeper meaning of what all this is happening in my life, then the juice gets lost. तो आप चेक करो आपको जीवन में ऐसा रूखा सूखा लग रहा है क्या कहीं पर, तो वहां पे you have lost the juice. So 3 homeworks. 1, identify क्या मैं नेगेटिविटी, कहीं कहीं नेगेटिविटी में बहुत ज्यादा खींचा जा रहा हूं, या कहीं जहां नेगेटिविटी को मुझे देखना और परखना आवश्यक है वो भी मैं नहीं कर रहा? Am I ignoring any negativity or something lacking somewhere? Or am I getting too absorbed in the negativity and the lack and the weaknesses? First homework. Second, in which aspect of my life am I lacking freedom? Am I feeling caught up and bound? And what should I do about it? How should I get free from it? Well, in December, I'm conducting 2 DSN programs. You can come at least on one of them. One is in Uttarakhand in Delhi and one is in Gurugram in Delhi. If you want that freedom. And a third, कहीं डीके हो रहा है क्या मेरे लाइफ में? स्टैग्नेशन आ रहा है क्या? जीवन में जो रस है वो कहीं खो गया है? That Gurudev says is as good as death. So that means we are not living in that particular aspect of our life. So becoming aware, oh yeah, I feel there is a stagnation in this particular area of my life. The juice is lost. There is no charm. कुछ वो beauty नहीं रही. Maybe the right combination I'm not using of Gyan and Vigyan, material, spiritual. Too much material हो जाता है तो juice चला जाता है. So these are the 3 homeworks for today. And then we'll meet tomorrow again. Jai Gurudev.